What were we gonna say again? Hey everyone, Scott with DeWalt, and we're back here at Acme Tools today to take a look at a new way to get tough on organization. We're gonna look at our new metal workshop storage solutions. This new innovative storage solution is all based upon this heavy-duty steel rail. Let's take a look. This top tool chest, we actually integrated that rail directly right in it. As you see it here, we got our DeWalt battery rail sitting up here. On this rolling cabinet down below, we have additional railing on each side, just to give you additional storage options. Now in our new line of DeWalt workbenches here, we've also integrated that same railing system here and here. But really at the heart of what this whole system is the ability to wall mount it. From there, your customizing possibilities are truly endless. Hey, be on the lookout because we're going to take a deeper dive on DeWalt's metal workshop storage. Any questions? Stop by any of our 10 retail branch locations or see us at acmetools.com.